Hello, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Please
Am I
don't.
late?
No, 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 you are on time.
Okay.
But don't call me ma'am because I'm not ma'am. You can call me
No, I don't
Rekha
like
or
to call you by name.
sorry.
I don't feel like to call you by name.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
Am I looking like
I don't.
older than you?
Sorry?
I'm senior to you?
Yeah, maybe.
Or I'm older like, Buddhi Amma?
No, 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 no. You are not Amma.
Please call me Rekha because I don't like this sophisticated name, ma'am.
Okay.
Rekha,
Hello,
because
Rekha. Good morning.
good morning, Meenakshi. How are you? How's your morning vibe?
My morning is going so well till now. I have had two sessions before this, so it's
Mm-hmm.
going well and productive, I would say.
Oh, wow. Great to know that. So, how's your channel is going on? I know you had channel.
Nowadays, I'm consistent on my channel. That is enough for me because earlier I was not consistent. So my channel, I think, got dead, or I don't know how to say that. It was not raising any views and something like that. So I
Uh-huh.
was quite anxious about that earlier. But right now, yes, I'm consistent on it. So it will be good in the future, I think. So
Yes, consistency matter. And on top of that, I truly believe, my conviction is consistency is harder if no one is here to applaud for you. If no one is there
Mhm.
to praise for you, like you did something good, right? And you feel like alone. So at that time, suppose, let's just take it that way. You are performing right, in a well, right, you're performing well consistently, you are performing in your life, but in your life no one is here. Everyone is here, right, but no one is praising you. That time we feel, very pathetic at that time. So how did
Yes.
you tackle situation? Have you ever
Yeah.
faced a situation? So that if you encountered, then how did you tackle?
Yeah, I have experienced the same situation. But I knew at that time, right now, it's not, I was not getting enough time actually to devote my time towards practicing in English, although I was practicing, but not that much.
Mm-hmm.
And right now, I'm practicing uh, in a better way,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm feeling much more confident as well. So right now it's going smoothly. If I talk about my past, how I tackled with that situation, of course, at that time we get demotivated naturally, I think. Still, we need to think if someone is getting demotivated during such kind of situations, I think they need to know what is important for them.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if in case they are just wasting their time without devoting time in any other field, like I had some responsibilities towards my son, and started working as well within these last 2 years. So at that time it was little bit challenging for me to devote time to my practicing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so that time I felt that although right now I'm not practicing, or maybe my journey is going so slow, uh, for some times of course I got demotivated, but over the time I felt confident and
Mm-hmm.
tried to motivate myself.
Great.
Otherwise you won't be able to set yourself again on that journey.
Yes, of course. For me, if I feel demotivated, right? If I feel that no one is here to praise me, hey, then what do I do at that? I just praise myself. Your best
Yes.
relationship is with yourself, right? I think you can pat yourself, you can encourage yourself. Hey, Rekha, you did a great job. Oh my God, the way you are such a wonderful, right? Just praise yourself, right? Because consistency is harder when no one is here to praise you. Okay, I forgot one thing. My God, how could?
But you didn't start recording?
No,
Oh
I have
no.
started recording. I have started the
Huh?
recording, but I didn't introduce,
No worries.
right?
Should
Okay,
I
so
start now?
yes, before we dwell into, right? So, would you like to introduce yourself? Because we are meeting for the first time. This is our first acquaintance, I believe.
Yeah, sure. So I'm Meenakshi from Uttarakhand. I'm pursuing my master's degree in English literature while also I'm running a YouTube channel. If it comes to my hobbies, so I have several interests. A few of them I would say reading books,
Mhm.
and I love making apple art. So that's all about me. Thank you so much.
Lovely, lovely, lovely to know that you are from Uttarakhand. From which state? City?
Okay. I live in Haldwani city
Ah,
and
wow,
nearby
wow. I
Lanka.
visited multiple time Haldwani because my Mamaji is, staying there. Okay. I love the part that you are from mountain and I'm also from mountain, from Uttarakhand, from the beauty of hills, from Almora, Kumaon region. And
Okay.
I
So
am,
what name have you given to them?
yes, at home, their nickname is Kanha because one daughter
Wow.
and
Mhm.
one is son. Kanha and Doll.
Wow.
But school, Thanush and Tharakshi.
Mhm.
They usually address by Thanush and Tharakshi. Thanush, TH, th se
Okay.
thermat wala.
Okay. I got it. Well, I have given my child name Krishang, and when you told your children name, that was little bit
Kana.
difficult hear that, but it's unique. It's unique. Okay, so I have given him Krishang name, and whenever I say someone, because all the people are Pahadi, and Pahadi are little bit difficult to understand the things
Yes,
I feel so,
yes, yes.
especially older ones. And whenever I say Krishang, what? Krishan?
Yeah.
Krishan? They
Question,
say like this.
huh?
Say like
Yes,
this.
Thanush
Okay.
and Tharakshi is also very difficult because in their school, no one has, such name Thanush and Tharakshi. And I
Okay.
promised my kids that you would not get such name, I think for a longer period because this is unique. You
Beautiful.
are unique. You are
I
unique.
would like to know meaning. I would like to know
Yes.
meaning.
Thanush means God Ganesha and Tharakshi means goddess of gold.
Okay.
Yes.
That's great. Quite
Because
meaningful.
because in Kumaon region, in Pahari region, you must be aware of that Pandit ji give you this is the name, this is the word, and you have to keep your kid's name on that particular name. So we usually use that
Yes.
name for their Janam Patri and all that. The same name we keep in their Janam Patri, right? But yes, at home in nickname, right, we can use their nickname like Kana and all. But Janam Patri especially, you will have to keep the same name with the same word. You can't keep
I
like
got it.
tha aaya, like Pandit ji has given you tha, and you are thinking, oh my God, tha is very difficult. Now what should I keep, right? Okay, let me just change it. No, it's not like that. If it is tha, then tha.
But I have changed it.
Ah,
Yes, I have changed it.
okay, that's
His name
okay.
came from KH, Kha. Okay,
Tha,
KH,
tha.
and there were another letters as well, Kha, and we were not getting a good name. But we have given him Krishang.
Hmm.
Its name Lord Shiva. Also,
Hmm.
it includes Krishna as well.
Krishna, yes.
So we thought that we are giving by the name, like the his name is similar to a god. So
Hmm.
God will always help him. So we have given
Hmm.
his name. But where it is believed that whenever we sit in any worship,
Hmm.
so we use his Janampatri name always.
Yes,
It
yes.
is Kushansh.
Okay. So, my kids got two letters. One is th and another is jh. Jh se jhanda wala jh. Oh my God, that
Hmm.
was really difficult for me. And we took actually 1 month. We were thinking what should we keep? Yeah, what should we go for this name or this name? We were in a dilemma situation. But then we
Yes.
chose th. And again, it took, 2 months, 3 months. I was thinking, kya hoga? What is so special about it? Because they are special. In my maternal family, we have a twin history.
Hmm.
Everyone
Okay.
has twin.
Hmm.
And
Yeah, that happened.
why they are so special? Because they are different gender. One boy and another is girl. And in my
Okay.
family, our twin generation is first generation is different gender. One is boy, one is girl. Now they are about to 60 age.
About
This is why as I just told you, why they are special because they are different gender. Before that, we have only boys, and boys. Two boys, two boys, two boys, two boys. Not even a girls.
Okay. And I would like to say I always annoy my child by saying that I always wanted a baby girl, but God has given me a baby boy. So it's kind of scam to me. So he says to everyone that मम्मा के साथ scam हुए हैं.
Oh my God.
So basically,
Mhm.
yes.
Or I usually tell my kids that, God has given me this beautiful blessing. Before that, I was thinking, oh my God, blunder. How would I manage? But now you are blessing in disguise for me because you straight landed from moon to this planet. And he usually say to everyone that, my mother is saying I came from moon. Everyone. The kids are nascent, right? They are innocent, naive.
Okay. Ma'am, actually, I feel this is a pure bond,
Mm.
mother and a child.
Mm.
And the affection towards our child is so great. Okay. This is unconditional love.
Unconditional.
And I would like to know one part of raising child whenever
Mm.
they have such kind of nature like they are so mischievous, and sometimes we are like if we are managing our time for something like
Mm.
right now we are trying to improve our English and we have a lot of things to do. Sometimes we schedule meeting, we have to sit somewhere peacefully. So does any of your child bother you at this time? So
It's a cakewalk for
Mhm.
me. Why? Because right now I'm sitting in the drawing room, right? Suppose it is Sunday, Saturday, although I do not conduct any session on Saturday and Sunday because that's my family time. And if I have to, then my kids, they are in their bedroom, they have their study room, they go to there. I have not trained them, they are 10 years old. You won't
Okay.
believe it. They clean their table, they clean their dishes after finishing their meal. If their mother is sick, they're cleaning their glasses, and they do not disturb me. If they want to disturb me, they want to say something, mama, may I take your permission, I want this. Because they will take my permission because I'm also doing the same thing. Monkey see, monkey do.
Mm.
This kind of a raising and upbringing I'm giving to my kids. We always talk about this is happening in the society. What is society? We all are society. Charity begins from your home, right? So raise your kid in such a way where you are contributing towards not to the country but to the world as well. So I'm raising
Yeah.
my kids in that way. I'm contributing towards society. I'm trying to give them good upbringing in that way that you have to respect everyone, because I also
Exactly.
doing the same thing. If I need
Mhm.
to, disturb them, I will knock their door. Tanush and
Yeah.
Tarashi, may I come in? May I disturb you? Something like that. Then they will also do the same thing. This is the simple funda. आप
I
जैसा
agree.
करोगे वैसे ही आपका बच्चे करेंगे.
I
I
agree.
do not raise my voice. Whenever they raise their voice, I usually say that semblance of sanity is required. Am I doing this thing with you? Am I scolding you in a bad way? Can you see that I'm so polite with you? Can't you be polite with me? This is a simple thing. And second, what I like the most, that try to use three beautiful magical words. Thank you, excuse me, and one more thing is sorry.
So,
Every time you have to use it.
yes.
Every time. The simple funda to raise your kid, monkey see, monkey do. First, implement such rules and regulation on you in your life. Then you will see the changes. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो, if you are not doing, then your kid would cross question. Then, Mama, you are
Right.
not doing. Then why are you expecting and anticipating the same thing from me? I am not
Mhm.
using my mobile phone. I'm not watching television because I'm not fond of it. Right? My kids are not watching television. They only watch. They watch, but we have set the time in the morning,
Right.
afternoon, and the evening. That's all.
Mhm.
Apart from this, we are not watching television. And when it's come to mobile, they are not using mobile. They
Mhm.
have laptop day, Saturday and Sunday they are using. What I mean to say is that you need to tell them, the importance of time.
Yes.
Everything has its own time.
Mhm.
Please do not go above and beyond. Time is important. So use your time wisely. So first
Yeah.
implement on you, then expect the same thing from your kids. When my husband comes back from his office, he's not busy with the phone and talking to you his friends and all that. No, he tried to give quality time. He tried to spend his quality time with the kids.
Exactly.
Very
Right.
important. कोई भी चीज कर रहे हो आप, if you want to expect from your kids, first implement on you, then expect the
Hmm.
same thing. Otherwise, please, you do not have right to expect anything from your kids if you are not doing.
Mm-hmm.
Simple funda.
My child is 5 years old right now,
Hmm.
and when he was 2 years old, I read a book.
Hmm.
Although that time I was not reading much, but I read one book during that time, and I have read a quote that even the child's eyes, whenever they are so young, even at that time, uh, their eyes, ears are so curious to learn and see whatever
Hmm.
is being done around them. Okay, they are learning. As in the beginning point, when we try to improve our English, we listen to something and we gain something in our mind, although we are
Hmm.
unable to speak. And the
Hmm.
same thing happens with uh, children. At the very, very young age, they grab all the things,
Hmm.
okay, from their surroundings.
Hmm.
And when they are able to speak and whatever they are able to walk, something like that, so
Hmm.
they just try to copy and do it automatically because they have gained it in their subconscious mind. So I
Hmm.
have felt, and one bad habit I have till now, I would like to say, sometimes unknowingly I just try to shout whenever like I feel
Hmm.
that he's annoying me a lot. So I shout, but immediately I remind myself that I don't need to shout because I have seen him 2 to 3 times, noticed him that he is shouting on this in the same way.
Yes,
So
yes.
yes, I felt that he is doing the same thing what
Hmm.
I did for him.
Hmm.
So now, yes, I need to, I think, work on it.
Yes,
Otherwise,
yes.
everything is good because people already, and his teacher as well, already praised my child that he's so polite and quite active in games as well. That is different part. But he's so polite and
Hmm.
not like not
Same.
mischievous kind of
Yeah,
child.
it's very
Yes.
important, very important. My kid, my son came to me and he said that, Mama, I had a spat in the class. Both are very good at language, English language, right? I had a spat in the class. I said, what had happened? That boy was pushing the table. And I said, why are you doing this, right? Because I also need space. Then, and then I asked simple question to him. My daughter said that, Mama, I called my friends. Hey, my friends, come here. Now we will push it and we will try to make it skinny person and we will laugh at us. Something like that. I said, then how many kids were there to help you? Simple question. My
Mhm.
daughter said, then, Mama, no one came. Mega, then what is the moral of the story? You tell me. She was thinking. I said, she was pondering. I said, the moral of the story is you are enough for yourself. You are enough to take an action towards it. If you need any help, do not ask any. That's your battle.
Mhm.
You should you should have that courage to fight your own battle on your own terms. Do not
Right.
ask help. If you are able to do it on your own, then do it, because this world is like that. You need to understand
Absolutely.
that. If you are taking action, then you have to face the consequences. But do not expect or anticipate something that people will come and help you. No, people will not come. They are only
Mhm.
they are always ready to clap for you. They are always ready to laugh, mock, tease you. So it's better to, build yourself in such a way where you are enough. You are not a drop in ocean. You are an ocean in drop. Think like that. That was the training I gave them. So, the
Mhm.
real life experiences gives you vast and help you to broaden the horizon of your lore.
Yes, yes. It helps to live how to live life alone as well. Whenever my child goes to outside with his friends around R, so I always feel scared about that. If what if he fell down from somewhere? What if someone will beat him? I always feel like this. Okay, so earlier I was not sending him outside. Although right now I have started to send him, but my ears are always there to listen to his voice, whether he is playing there or not. So now, as I have started sending him, so now I feel that it is truly crucial to send him, because this is how he is going to learn
Yeah.
something new about his life. Okay, educational knowledge is completely different. That is, he is gaining from his school. I think this is also another part of living life, right? So
Yes.
I think once in a while, after few years, he will be, I think, facing this kind of situation. So it will be easier for him to tackle with the
Yes.
situation at that time.
You are a part of society. You have to face so many monsters,
Yeah.
right? So build yourself in such a way where you can face it, tackle it, and bash them. Be the CEO of your own life. I usually tell to my daughter, be the CEO of your own life, where you are accepting the people the way they are, hire them, fire them, recruit them according to your wish. So build your character, build your persona in that way. And
Mhm.
my daughter is like, she has a bossy nature, even though, once I visited to the principal and principal said, oh my God, man, Tarakshi is a promising leader, going to be leader, and she's going to be a junior head girl, because she has a kind of a nature like, hey, you go there. Hey, you come here. Hey, what are you doing this? Is something like that. She has kind of a nature. I really like that because she's very similar to me. I was like that when I was child. And I just want her to be bold, right? And raise her voice. It's very important.
Yeah.
If you're not taking stand for yourself, the world is not going to take stand for you.
Mm.
So you need to raise your voice first. So I am just
Right.
teaching her. And my son, on the other hand, my son is naive, innocent hai bahut, like, and something has happened. Hey Tarakshi, what should I do? Although he takes stand every time,
Mhm.
right? But my son is, I think 2 minutes, huh? 2 minutes is younger than my daughter. So both are in same section, right? If I'm trying to apart them, I'm just saying, no, I'm going to, send you in second, next section, B section or A section. They start crying. No, we don't want to be like that, something like that. And just, I don't know, see what is good and bad. As a mother, being a mother, what I faced in my life, right? I've been gone through a lot of trial and tribulation in my life, and whatever I'm learning through my life, right? That lessons, I am trying to empower them, right? I'm trying to instill some good values in them through my experience. I don't know actually I'll be succeed or not, but yes, in my hand is to keep my best foot forward for it, and that's what I'm doing.
I feel that if you are consistent and honest, honesty is really important.
Mm.
If you are honest towards your consistent efforts, then definitely, although maybe you don't get the that you have desired for yourself, the level you have desired yourself, but definitely you will have a great satisfaction at some point. Yes, you have put efforts in the situation,
Mhm.
and definitely I think someone gets results out of uh, like something out of the
Mm.
level that you have
Yes.
desired,
Yes.
right?
And I think it was a
I
spontaneous conversation. It was really great
uh,
conversation, right? We didn't talk about English, to be very honest. No worries. So let's just wind up this session. Thank you so much, Meenakshi, for joining me here. And
yeah.
I felt like two friends are talking from same community, same mindset, right? So it was gripping conversation, scintillating conversation.